In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to easily delete all posts on a Facebook page. Be sure to watch until the end to avoid any mistakes. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Tap on the menu icon in the down right corner to access your options. Next, you need to switch from your main Facebook profile to the page you want to manage. Tap the arrow icon to see all your pages. Select the page you want to work with. Once you are on your page, tap on the profile picture at the top left to go to your page settings. Scroll down until you found the button labeled Manage Posts. Tap on it to view all your current posts. Here you'll see all posts that are currently shared or scheduled. If you want to filter the post, tap on Filters and choose Publish It to see only the published posts. To delete a specific post, tap on the three dots next to the post you want to remove, then select Delete. Confirm the deletion by tapping Delete again. Important note, unfortunately, this isn't a function to delete all posts at once. So you will need to repeat these steps for each post you wish to delete. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching.